15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. English with dangerous meanings. I am boring. That changes the meaning. What should I say instead? I am bored. I am bored. I am exciting. That sounds strange. What sounds natural? I am excited. I am excited. I am nervous. That can sound odd sometimes. What should I say when I worry? I am worried. I am worried. Please teach me English. That sounds a little strong. What is a softer way to say it? Could you help me with English? Could you help me with English? I don't know. That can sound cold. How can I say it more softly? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Why? That can sound harsh. What sounds more natural? How come? How come? Are you okay? The meaning changes by context. How do you ask about health? Are you feeling sick? Are you feeling sick? Maybe. That may sound cold. What is a natural response? Maybe so. Maybe so. Of course. It can sound too strong. What is a softer phrase? Sure, of course. Sure, of course. No problem. That can sound too casual. How do you say it politely? That's perfectly fine. That's perfectly fine. I think so. That sounds uncertain. How do you sound more confident? I think that's right. I think that's right. Really? That can sound too direct. What sounds more natural? Is that really true? Is that really true? Shut up. That expression is rude. What should I say instead? Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Wait. That sounds like a command. How can I say it softly? Just a moment. Just a moment. Fine. That can sound angry. What sounds friendlier? I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine. I think that's right. I think that's right. Is that really true? Is that really true? Please be quiet. Please be quiet. Just a moment. Just a moment. I'm totally fine. I'm totally fine. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.